My name is Chance-Larsen. I'm the discipline leader for physiotherapy here at CQUniversity, and we welcomed our first cohort of physiotherapy students this year in 2013, and we're offering it from Rockhampton and here in Bundaberg. And we link up using video technology for a lot of our sessions, not just lectures but practical sessions as well. I think one of the main things that set us aside from other programs is our location. We are sort of in regional Queensland, offering opportunities for students to study near to where they live, and offering programs they would otherwise have to travel to either Brisbane or Townsville for. So we're meeting a local need and hopefully preparing the workforce for the future in these regions, whether it's an undersupply. Another aspect that is worth mentioning is we're not going to be a big program. We're aiming for about 40 students overall between the two campuses. And this, our first year, we have 12 students in Bundaberg and 18 in Rockhampton. Compare that to some other programs, and it's easy to see that we have a much better opportunity to get to know our students. They become an individual rather than just a number. And we have a great cohort of students. It's a mix of school leavers and mature, shall we say, students, even older than me. It's hard to believe. Yeah. And it's really good to draw all those different life experiences that students bring in. 17-year-olds coming straight from school, and those who've tried some other professions, and that really enriches our practical classes and our sort of group work discussions. The bigger universities are affiliated with medical schools, and the traditional method of teaching anatomy is having access to cadaver labs and looking at dissections and prosections. We don't have those resources, and they are very expensive to set up and run, and also to source, to get specimens for. So we've gone down a route where we use plastinates that we've bought from the Giebener Institute in Germany, high quality plastinates that we use for our anatomy teaching. They are sort of odorless, which I'm sure students would appreciate if they've been to a dissection lab, and they are durable, so they last for a long time, and they're high quality as well. They don't deteriorate over time as cadavers do, as rapidly. So I think they offer a very good opportunity for students to visualize, and they can touch these specimens as well to see real 3D anatomy. In addition, we use ultrasound so that students can visualize on a screen live anatomy, looking at muscles and tendons when they move, and making the link between where on the anatomy the probe is and what it looks like on a screen, and how it changes with movement. So students who graduate will be eligible to use the title physiotherapist. So it's a profession-specific program, and it's a big responsibility to educate physiotherapists because they are autonomous practitioners. So they can register with APRA, and a lot of physios are first point of contact for patients with a range of conditions. A lot of conditions we can treat. You've got muscle strains and ligament injuries, but an important aspect of being a first contact practitioner is to be able to screen for serious pathology and knowing when to refer on to other professionals such as medical doctors, particularly if there is an urgent sort of, say, neurological compromise. So we're educating high quality health practitioners, work ready, and there is an ongoing and probably increasing demand for professionals such as physiotherapists in the health workforce with the aging population, and particularly in regional, rural and remote areas of Queensland and other states.